Let's say you have a scene that's a landscape, and you want to incorporate a lot of elements into that scene that are going to be scattered around, but not necessarily randomly. Let's say you want to cluster some trees in a specific area on the landscape. You have several options. You can manually place them, which could take a considerable amount of time. You could use the scatter tool in order to scatter the trees around the landscape, but that doesn't give you the kind of control you want. You want to be able to place the trees in specific areas, say along roadways and away from buildings. This is where Object Paint can be a very helpful tool. The Object Paint tool is part of the graphite modeling tools built into 3ds Max. The options can be found in the Graphite Modeling Tools ribbon under the Object Paint tab. Object Paint creates objects by allowing you to paint them into the scene. The tool is broken up into two panels, the Paint Objects panel and the Brush Settings panel. Each panel gives you access to the tools and options for that particular aspect of object painting. Object Paint provides a way of painting using one object, or you can use multiple objects. When choosing multiple objects, you can either paint them in the order that you choose, or you can paint them in a random order. This allows you to create very complex scenes with a minimum of effort. For example, you can choose multiple trees, and then use the Object Paint tool to randomly paint the trees in the areas that you want to paint them in. You can use the Object Paint tool to create an efficient workflow for constructing complex environments.